Here are the secret TradingView indicators which are insanely profitable, ranging from 2x to 5x ratio. Let's jump right into it. Go to tradingview.com and select your pair. I will be using Euro USD, and then make sure you select the 15-minute chart, as this strategy works very well on 15-minute time frame. After that, go to Indicators tab and search QQE, not QQE mod, in fact QQE threshold by Josie. Next, we're going to go to the settings, and under the input tab, change RSI length to 3 only, and then click Styles tab, and then scroll down to the bar color. I will just move it to the left side to show you what is happening on the chart. We don't want the bar color, so we will uncheck it and keep the original candlestick colors for now. Next, we're gonna uncheck level for zero line, and we're gonna keep the both green and red to 35. After that, we're gonna go to plot and change it from columns to area. Then we're gonna change the zero color to green and keep the opacity to 100 to make it more sharp and readable. And we will do the same for the rest. So this strategy is momentum based, and we want to make sure we are catching a reversal that can give us at least 4 to 5x gain. And in order to remove the fluctuation, we will need Heikin-Ashi candles. But if we just change these candles to Heikin-Ashi, we cannot actually determine the current price. As you know, the Heikin-Ashi candles are average candles. The price is not the actual price. So what we're gonna do is actually change this chart to a line chart and use indicators called extreme trend by Kasher stocks, as well as Heikin-Ashi candles by Crypto Rocks. This way we can find the actual price on the chart and also use Heikin-Ashi for our signal entries. Go to Heikin-Ashi candle settings and change the zero color to blue and color 1 to black for easy chart reading. Now the final change is on extreme trend. Click the settings, and under the style tab, change the color of 200 EMA. Plus, for easy understanding of the extreme line, we're going to change the long signal to green and the short signal to red. The shapes are optional. If you want to change it, it's up to you. And lastly, let's make the actual price line a little brighter. So here is the first long entry signal on extreme trend. However, the cloud is not green, so we can't enter the trade. I'm going to write the entry rules very quickly here so that you don't forget. For long entry, the extreme indicator has to produce green rectangle, and the QQE threshold cloud should be green. Plus, the Heikin-Ashi bar should be blue and clear between the price and the extreme line, and the price line should not be cluttered. And lastly, the stop loss shouldn't be more than 14 pips or 13 pips. So as per the rules, this is not a valid entry. Even it would have been a profitable trade, but we're gonna stick to the rules. And short entry is just the opposite of long, so we're gonna keep its copy as well. So let's find out our first entry, and so far there's no signal. Oh, here we have the short entry, and the cloud is also red, plus the extreme line is red as well. The Heikin-Ashi bars are black, so we're gonna enter short here based on the price line. Remember that we're gonna be using the price line, not the Heikin-Ashi bars for the entry. We're gonna be targeting 1 to 5, and the stop loss is going to be the recent swing. So this one is a loser. I will leave as it is. And next one is a long entry. Let's try targeting 1 to 5 on this one by following the entry rules. This one was a winner, so even if you are wrong 2 to 3 times, you're still gonna be in profit. And on to the next one. So this one is an invalid trade entry as the red cloud is not present. And right after that, we have a long entry which is also invalid because there is no momentum and the price line is cluttered. And after that, we have a short signal which is actually a valid entry as per the rules. As you can see, the Heikin-Ashi candle is clearly sitting between the price line and extreme trend, which shows the presence of momentum. I'm gonna enter this trade, but I will share with you the backtesting result of 20 trades that I took using the extreme trade strategy, which is 1 to 5 ratio. This one is looking like hitting the stop loss, but actually it is Heikin-Ashi candles. So if I disable them and pay attention to the price line, you will notice that it is a winner. So here are the 20 trades that are back tested. I'm gonna fast forward you to show you the end results. Overall, we had 7 winners and 13 losers. So with 5x ratio, it is a massive 35x gain. However, there were 4 consecutive losers. And lastly, the most important thing that you must know is about a stop loss. So here is the situation. This is a long entry. If I were to enter a trade with 1 to 1.5 ratio, this is how it would turn out to be. However, if I pick another trade using the same setup, this is how it would look like. Do you notice anything? At the end, they both turn out to be winners. But there is one big difference. The last trade's stop loss was 11 pips. Whereas for the first one, we reached around 62 pips. And if we can eliminate these big, high-risk trades, then this setup is extremely profitable and can get us more than 5 to 6x rewards.